Hi viewers, I am Dr. Nivedita from Helodent. Today I am going to discuss about a very serious topic, which is bruxism or night grinding. This happens either while they are sleeping or when they are awake. There could be a lot of causes for bruxism, such as physical stress, psychological stress, improper teeth alignment, or could be the side effect of certain psychiatric medications. How can we find out whether the patient has bruxism or no? This can be found out by other people telling that they can hear sound at the night, especially if they're co-sleeping with somebody else. Other thing is, the dentist carefully examines your teeth and jaw for any other dental abnormality. For more such information, please download Helodent app from Google Play Store for a free online dental consultation. Thank you.